copying this. We will do one more animation today with dope sheet itself. With this, the principle of animation in that, we have follow through or overlapping, right? So follow through animation, let's do, or secondary action. When the primary action moves, the secondary action will follow that. So that particular activity will do. Now just visualize, there's um, you know, like a squirrel tail. How does a squirrel tail functions? Okay, something like that. We'll come up with some sort of a cute character. I'll just create that within sphere itself. Okay, I have the sphere here, and I'm like placing it here. Okay, I'm gonna duplicate this, place it here, and I'll be reducing that like this, and shift duplicate like this, so that the size will be reduced. So as you know, this is sphere 1, sphere 2, 3, 4. You can see the name here, which is changing. 4, 5, 6, 7. In total, there are 7 spheres are there. Okay. So quite simple. What I do is, so frame number 1, I'm gonna do set key. Set key. My character is here only. Assume this entire thing is a character now. Okay. I'll just create a wonderful action with these spheres. So all the spheres has been selected. Set key, S for set key here. Then let's say till frame number 10, these people are like these spheres are here only. Again, one more set key. Now what I'll do, from 10 to 40, this will move here. Set key. Okay. Then it has been moved here. Then at 50, little bit, backside. At 60, little front. So it's like this. So it's there. It started moving to 40, 50, it's going back, and 60, it's coming front. Okay, like this. First, let me do it up to here. Okay. So now see how does the animation looks, right? Something like this. We have it, something like this. Okay. Now what I'll do, I select this in an order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From bottom, you select this in an order. Now, when you open this animation editor, dope sheet, you should see sphere 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 7 in an order. Now, as you have worked with this, right? Frame number 1, I'm not going to disturb. Frame number 10 is there. So what I do, I select like this. You have to be in move tool. Just I'm giving 2 frames gap. Okay, done. Similarly, here also, it's quite simple. What I do is I select everything. It's very simple. 2 frames. You don't have to do anything random. Just select everything. 2 frames gap you give. You have a wonderful animation with this. Just with middle click, like you need to move this like this. So we are getting an output something like this. Now, when I play this, see, so smooth animation, right? right? Any doubts, MD? Any doubts how to achieve
I'm
this
still
output?
following. So
Good. Fine then. So now again, I'm gonna select each, like let's say all this I'm selecting up to 70, which has come here, right? Then up to 80, I'm gonna give the same key so that I want all this to be static over here. Now 80 to 120, these spheres again, it will go back up to here like this. So it has gone up to here. 130, from here to here it went. Then little back, again 140 to front. Okay, so I'm gonna repeat the same thing here, but you can see the name has been means it's not in an order. Sequential order is not there. So one, select bottom, means from this order you take, select second sphere, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Okay, now coming to this particular part, as you know, frame number 80, right? I'm not gonna disturb that. Okay, frame 70 is here. Frame 80. Okay, I want this to be in frame 80, right? So no, 80 to 90, let it be on the same position. Let's say 80 my spheres are here. I want to copy the same value to 90. For each sphere, whatever value is there, I want to copy that. How do I do that? So anyhow, all the spheres are selected. Another technique is you just have to come to frame 80, middle click. No need, here I have selected the spheres. My values are here. I want the same frame, means these spheres has to be in the same position till 80 to 90. So click on frame 80, middle click, drag and drop, middle click, drag and drop to 90, press S. Press S for set key. That means 80 to 90, you have the same. 70 to 80, 70 to 80, we have it, right? Similarly, 80 to 90, we have the same. Got it? Understood. Whatever values are there at 80,
yes.
mid click, drag and drop to 90, then you have to press S for set key. Now I'm going to change the values of this 2 frames. Like this, I can select everything together at a time. Just observe 2 frame. Okay, I have to be in move tool. Then select everything, 2 frames. One, I think, let me see. Okay, and the first one also 2 frame. Select everything, 2 frame. Then select all this, 2 frame. 1, 2, 1, 2. Great, done. Let me apply a new material. I apply blend, and for blend, it's okay. we're getting an output like this. See? So like this, we can have multiple character race. Let's say you visualize this as one character. I'm going to create another character like that. For example, I have another sphere. Let me place this sphere here. Lift it up. And this particular sample, you take a play blast, and this you can use it in your animation tutorial. Whatever so far I have done, this itself you can mention in the Premiere, dope sheet animation. Okay. We have one character, let's say one set of character, and I'm going to duplicate. You have another set of character. I'm going to duplicate, like multi-set of character. Okay. So I'm going to take this. Let me keep this in a layer. I'll hide this. I'll duplicate like this. I'll create one more plane, and this one, it's a track kind of, like stuff I'm gonna do. Racing track. So I can apply new material, which is Maya Blinn. And for the Blinn, I'll apply 2D texture, checker. I press 6, which is something like this. You have or else rather than checker, I'll break connection. I'll go to 2D texture, ramp. In ramp, this is none. Okay, something like this. Okay, you can see now each and every character is in individual track, right? Rather than black, I make it gray. This is fine. Okay, fine. We have it like this. I'm gonna make this a static. And this you can use it for your demo purpose. Again, this is another example for demo. You can definitely use it. This is for as a supporting, like which I have taken. Fine. Now coming to the main part. Each of this, like I'll name this as, um, as a group, A group or B group, something. For example, this one, this is A, this is B, C, D, something like that. I'll make it. Okay. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'll name this as A. Similarly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is B. So what happens? See, A1, A2, A3, like that. Similarly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This guy is C, and this is D. See, anything, like we need to come up with, some story. So I'm just creating a race. So I have created a race track, and these are the individual characters which are gonna run. Okay. Okay. And I have my track point here. So let me create another track point. I'll take this one. Finish line. This is my finish line. And I'm gonna extrude this. Extrude. Let me place my finish line somewhere here. And let me apply another material, blend in yellow color. Great. My finish line is here. My characters are here. Okay. This is what it is. So I have a story now. My characters. Okay, let me bring my finish line to here. Okay. Okay. So frame number 1, let's say I do one thing. This is my character, right? Okay, I'll select all the character. At frame 1, these people are, set for key. At frame 20, it's key. Okay. So from 20 onwards, they are gonna start running. So now what I'll do, I'll come to frame 70. He'll be here, frame 70. Or let's say I'll make it 100 frames. For 100 frame, this guy is here, set key. I'll select this guy. Okay. At 95 or 90, frame 90, this guy will be here, set key. At frame 110, this guy will be here. At frame 120, this guy is here. And at frame 87 or 85 or 83, this guy is here. Okay. So at some point, see, these people are running something like this. Okay. Now, anyhow, I've selected this. 83 is here. 83 to 93, he is going bit front, save. And to 100, he comes back, he settled. Every character settlement, like which we need to see. Now I'm selecting this. This guy at 100 is here. 110, he'll go front. I select this. This guy at 110, he's here. Set key 120, he comes back, he's gonna settle. Similarly, I will be selecting this. 90 is here. 100, he goes front. Set key 110, he comes back. Settle. Every character has to settle. Okay, 110, he's here. 120, he goes front. Set key 130, he comes back. Set key. You're understanding, MD, what I'm doing?
Yes, sir. I'm following.
Okay. I think this one we have defined. So I'll select this one. This guy 120, he's here. 130, he goes front. Set key. 140, he comes back and set key. So now if you notice, what's happening is all the characters are running. Okay. And they're settling. Okay. Now settling part is also done. Now I'm gonna select these character. I should select in an order. Now that's the take here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Open dope sheet. I should not work on frame 1. I think from here I can do. I select all this. 2 frames. 1. Okay, you have to be in move tool. 1, 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 2. Wonderful. So I have done for this character, the first character. So first character animation is perfect, which we have done. Let me play this. See, it looks smooth. Even here also we can define. So here 2 frames gap we have given, right? I can give 1 frame for this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like rigid, bit rigidness also we can give. Again, I'll come to dope sheet. So I select this. It's okay. 1. I have to be in move tool. 1. Okay, it's okay. I'll give 2 only. There will be consistency if I give. Okay. Similarly, let me do it for third character. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Make sure while working with dope sheet, move tool is you are in move tool. Otherwise, it won't work. Done. The whole fourth character. With middle click, I'm moving. Final character. Okay, all set. Any doubts, MD?
It's clear, sir.
Okay,
Straightforward.
now let's do one thing. We'll apply one color for each of this character. So I think it should be good if we do that. So it's like each character we are giving a different behavior, something like, right? So this one, right click, select this, assign new material. So let me go with blend, and this is green, and I select this, assign new material, blend, and this is blue. Select this, assign new material, blend. Okay, that's a turquoise which I've applied. I'll apply pink, assign new material. Again, blend, I'll go with red, assign new, not this one, man. Select this, assign new material, blend. Wonderful. So I need to set a camera also. So I'll just click on this one. Let's play. Start. See, this is a moment. This is wonderful. So see. So multiple camera setup also we can do. If we have this sort of movement, this also looks good. Let's play. Great, right? It looks good. So I will turn off this resolution gate. So we'll double click on this, right click, play blast. It's AVI, full quality, scale to 1, save to file. And I'm gonna name this as racing. Animation. Okay, browse. WAV, not here. SEM4 animation, racing. Save and play blast. Okay. Once it is done, automatically it will play. So this is what it is. Okay. So you just have to, like import this, open this file in video file in Premiere. You have to just render it into MP4 with H264 format. So the winner here is, who is the winner? Let's see. It's a red one. First one is red, second is cyan, third is green. Right. So we can define. So these are the, like varieties which we can work on. So you have to come up with a story. Okay. Any doubt? MD?
No, sir, I'm okay. I'm okay.
Okay. Can you share, can you work on this particular aspect, or you can come up with your own creativity? Okay. Some creative ideas. Okay.
Understood, sir.
Great. Fine then. I'll upload this video in YouTube and I'll share you the link. So let's work with characters from next session.
Okay.
Till then, yeah, take care. Bye.
All right, so